I'm going to walk you through setting up products for sale in Shopify using OrbitKit. We're going to start from scratch with a brand new Shopify shop. Now there are two ways of doing this. You can add Shopify to OrbitKit, or you can add OrbitKit to Shopify. It's the same in the end either way, but in this example, we'll assume that you don't already have an OrbitKit account, and we'll add OrbitKit to your Shopify shop through the Shopify App Store. Once you've installed OrbitKit into your Shopify shop, you'll be redirected to OrbitKit to finish the process. The first step is to sign in using Google Auth. You may be wondering, why not Shopify Auth? OrbitKit lets you use your design library with many different marketplaces, not just Shopify, and some people even use OrbitKit with multiple Shopify accounts. Next, we create an organization. OrbitKit is designed for small businesses, so all of your data lives inside of an organization. If you have other team members, you will be able to add them later and assign them roles and permissions. You can see now that OrbitKit has created a venue for this shop. You can have many venues that connect to a variety of shops and marketplaces, but for now, we'll focus on Shopify. The next step is to create one or more blueprints, which are instructions for how to create listings. Rather than forcing you to tediously create each listing one at a time, OrbitKit uses blueprints that can be applied to many designs at once. Let's create a blueprint. I'm going to start with a basic tee. I'll edit this blueprint, add some more colors, and change the price. Now let's add another product to our blueprint, a hoodie, and let's give it a similar set of colors. Let me rename this blueprint to something meaningful. Let's imaginatively call it Dark Shirt and Hoodie. We now have a blueprint that can be used to publish designs to our Shopify shop. The listings it creates will offer a basic tee and a hoodie with our chosen colors and price. Let's try it out. First, we need some designs in our library. Click on Designs, then the Upload button. There are a lot of ways of importing your existing design library, so reach out to OrbitKit support and ask us before you go through the trouble of typing it all in. We've built quite a lot of tooling over the years to accommodate imports, so if you have your data in some sort of structured format or in some other service, we can probably use that directly. However, in this case, we've just done the simple thing and uploaded designs by hand. OrbitKit inferred the titles and tags from file names, so we have designs ready to publish. Let's send one to Shopify. I'm going to scroll down and manually exhibit this one. I'll pick the blueprint we just created and click Exhibit. We've now created an exhibit. It will take OrbitKit a few minutes to publish this, but through the magic of video, you don't have to wait. Let's take a look at the listing that OrbitKit published at Shopify. You can see we have a full listing, complete with size charts and mockups. This product is now available for sale, and any orders placed will be fulfilled by OrbitKit. If you have a lot of designs, you probably don't want to publish them one at a time like this. Let's publish a group of designs together. I'm going to click on Designs, then search for food-related designs. This also has the effect of selecting these designs for further action. I'm going to pick Manually Exhibit These. My blueprint is already selected, so I just click Exhibit. OrbitKit is now busy publishing these new exhibits. Let's skip ahead a few minutes and take a look at our Shopify shop. Here we have all the new products for sale, and OrbitKit was careful not to duplicate the wine design. That's basic publishing. I should quickly point out that if you want OrbitKit to fulfill your orders, you'll need to put a payment method on file. We'll batch your orders together and charge you at most once per day. And as new orders come in, you can see and search a list of them on the Fulfillment Orders page here. Now I want to show you one last thing. Your print-on-demand business is not about creating listings and forgetting about them. Maybe we've been getting requests for women's tees. Let's add them to our listings. I will edit my existing blueprint, add the women's tee, pick colors, and save. You can see that OrbitKit is now updating my listings. Fast forward a few minutes, and we can see that our listings now offer women's tees for sale. That's it. You can change anything about listings this way, and OrbitKit will automatically keep everything in sync, even if you have thousands of designs for sale. No tedious button clicking required. I hope this brief introduction has given you a taste of what is possible with OrbitKit. We've just scratched the surface. There are many more tutorial videos in our help system, so feel free to keep browsing, or sign in to OrbitKit and try it out.